Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video. In today's guide, I'm gonna share with you a VPN app which will help you to get a secure connection, extra protection when you are using the internet. So you open Google Play Store where you can search and install apps, and when you reach here, search for this app. The app is known as ML UDP VPN. This app is fast and secure as you are browsing online. So among the presented, you opt for this one, and after picking this, install it on your device. And on this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection and extra layer of security as you are using the internet. So you open the app to do some settings. So as you open this app will help you to secure your connection and extra layer of security when you are using the internet. And in case you have not yet subscribed on this channel, take this time to like, share and subscribe. And when you reach in the app interface, you are required to set it up. First of all, you tap on the three lines, the four buttons in the upper left corner right here. So the upper left corner right here. Then you click on check updates, and after checking for available updates, and it will help this app to update to the latest version so that it can work, and it updates its resources for better performance. And after updating the app resources, you are required to pick a server of your choice, but for today's guide I request you to pick this auto server option, auto server random. It will help you to pick the best working server when you are online. So it will pick the fastest server, and after picking a server of your choice, just for today's guide I recommend you to pick this option. The other setting is you are required to pick your country name. You pick your country name. For example, in today's video I picked Jordan, so you can tap here, then you pick your country name, or you can tap here, then you pick the all countries settings in case you can't see your country name. But for the purpose of this video, you pick your country name, and then after picking your country name, you tap on the connect button. And when you tap on the connect button, this app will be connected. And that's how we set up this app, ML UDP VPN, with fastest settings for all countries to get a secure and a fast connection when you are using the internet. Please like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content, and let's meet in the next video.